欢迎回来看我的视频。Do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. Alright, I usually go over with homework from last video. Okay, 这是第二句话，一、二，这是第二句话。Okay, and we each sentence we learn one 成语。鱼 is a little fish. 木 is eyes, our eyes. Okay, but here I said it's fish eyes. So 混 is mix. 猪 is pearls. Okay, 鱼目混珠. On the surface you might see it's two pairs of fish eyes for pearls. But the real meaning it's saying it describes two pairs of fake products as genuine. 鱼目混珠 This is our sentence, okay? 他 is he. 基因镜失时进时 is fasted. 40 40 周夜昼夜 okay, 昼夜 is day and night. 后来后来 is later. 就 is then. 饿了 means hungry. Okay. 他进食40昼夜，后来就饿了。I know lessons. Okay, 这是第三句话。This is our new 成语。特一安天，无佛恩分。I give you two clues. The first one is the sky. This is claws. Okay, it's a claws. Okay, and then you find out these two words. What's this meaning? Okay, let's read our 成语。天衣无缝。天 is the sky, right? The sky. 衣 is claws. 无缝sentence for today. 那是特安探试探日恩人的基因镜期安前了哀来近前来的微对特他是我说那一你日我若是恩神的神的儿子可以可以 for 恩分 for 无父吩咐之这些这些时头石头波一安变吃恩成变成食物食物。那试探人的近前来对他说，你若是神的儿子，可以吩咐这些石头变成食物。Okay, let's read our Chinese. Okay, 那试探人 is a human being 的近前来近前来对 他说你 is you 若是神的儿子，可以吩咐这些石头错了，变成食物Okay, homework. Okay, 家庭作业 is very important. All right, here I have a strategy. Okay, reading, writing, speaking, listening, 4 combined together, and you can help you get this language. Okay, download a translator. Translate each single word. But if I'm on the line, you can check them as phrases, so it will help you learn even faster. Read and write 30遍 Okay, read and write 30遍 very important too. Watch an hour and Chinese TV series every day, and this is very important too. It will help you to hear the tones all the time, and it will build the vocabulary too. Okay, here I have one. It's called 还珠格格 HZGG, and you will find this video on YouTube, and they have 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts. You can watch the first part is long. Okay, it's long. And in this video, they will have a lot of 成语. If you learn from this video, and you will hear from this movie. Okay, I hope you guys have fun with your homework, and give me thumbs up. Remember to subscribe my channel so you don't miss my new videos. Alright, I will see you 下星期五